Hello everyone and welcome to this new Neoswing video tutorial in English. Today I'm gonna show you a move that I call the kick. Now, sorry again for my silly names, but I choose them just to remember what you do in the moves. So, as always, enough talking, and now, dance time. Well, do I need to say that I like this move? I don't think so, but I like this move, even though it is very tiring. However, there are a bunch of different variations, as you saw in the clip, and the basic one is fairly easy to learn. Tiring, but easy. So, how do you perform a kick? Well, you start in this position. And yes, the hands are just for balance, so they are optional. And you have to give a kick with the right foot. And so you give a side kick, more or less like this. And meanwhile, the other leg has to slide outside, so in this direction. And if you put it together, it looks like this. One. Then this is the main foot. Then this foot has to become the main foot, so you simply swap your feet. And then you give another kick to the side and this leg slides outside. So 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Now, as always, let me give you some tips. Well, first of all, I think that if you are not feeling comfortable staying on one foot, you should train your balance a little bit. And that's not just for this move, but in general for all the Neoswing moves. And how do you train your balance? Well, you simply do what I'm doing right now, so you stand on one foot, and then of course you change the foot you're standing on, and you stand a couple of minutes on this foot, and you can also stand on your toes if you want to do something a little bit more complicated. And when you feel comfortable, then you can learn these moves really fast. However, if your balance is not super good, I have another tip for you, which is while you're practicing on this move, do it slowly but not too slowly, otherwise it becomes more difficult. So do it like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now it's time for some variations, and let's start with this one, which is very easy. So and how do you do it? Well, simply when you are doing this movement, you just turn around slowly while giving kicks. And it is as simple as this. Then there is this variation, which looks better in my opinion. So how do you do it? Well, you simply give 2 kicks in the same side. So you do 1, and then instead of going and, so instead of switching your feet, you do 1 and with the same foot. 2, then you swap, and 3 and 4, then you swap, and 5 and 6, and then and 7 and 8. And that's it. And last but not least, there is my variation. Well, at least I think I invented it because I didn't copy it, which is very tough. And this is how it looks when you do it a bit slowly. So now, I'm not even sure if I can explain it properly, but the idea is that you want to add a third dimension to this move, which otherwise will look quite flat. So To do it, you add another layer behind your main foot where you draw some circles with the other foot. So, how do you do it? Well, first of all, this movement, which is the basic movement, becomes an and. So you start with and, okay? Then what do you do? Well, you swap your legs as always. You do one, drawing a circle with this leg, so one, and two, drawing circle, and three, drawing circle, and four, drawing circle, and. Well, I think that we are done for today. I really hope you enjoyed and see you in the next episode.